Hi everyone, well today we're checking lesson 59. Lesson 59 is about past progressive negative form. Here we go. Well, we have here the affirmative structure. Okay, so for the affirmative structure we have the subject, we have was or were, okay, verb in gerund, and the complement. So we have our examples here. But how will we change it for the negative? For the negative, we write was not or wasn't, okay? Or wasn't. So it can be also were not for plural, were not or weren't, okay? So example number 1, it is wasn't. I wasn't writing a letter. I wasn't writing a letter. This is the meaning in Spanish. Okay, number 2, you were watching my video. This is affirmative. For the negative form, we change it for weren't. Okay, and there we are, weren't. You weren't watching my video. You weren't watching my video. In Spanish, it's here. Number 3, we were having breakfast. This is the affirmative form. For the negative, we switch were for weren't, okay? And the sentence says we weren't having breakfast, okay? In Spanish is this, what it means, okay? Let's see, next example. They weren't playing soccer, okay? So they weren't playing soccer. Next example. He was driving too fast. This is affirmative. The negative is he wasn't. He wasn't driving too fast. Okay? Next example. This is the affirmative. She was sleeping at home. The negative would be she wasn't sleeping at home. In Spanish, here you are. Well, this is the meaning. Then at the last example we have, is this one. It was working very well. It was working very well. So in Spanish, well, we write the negative and now the meaning in Spanish, okay? Well, that's it. Okay, let's see. We have some examples more. And here we go with this guy. Let's see. The example is Luis wasn't singing reggaeton. Luis wasn't singing reggaeton. Okay? Example number 2. Sam wasn't eating popcorns. Sam wasn't eating popcorns. Okay? Next example is in plural. As you can see, they are more than one people. Okay, so the boys weren't is for plural, remember. Wasn't is for singular, but weren't is for plural. So the boys weren't playing what? In the park. The boys weren't playing in the park. Okay, the next example is they are plural, they weren't fighting, okay, they weren't fighting, and that's it, okay. As you can see, we have no complement here. Bien, como pueden ver aquí, chicos, no hay ningún complemento, simplemente dejamos así la oración, sin un complemento. ¿Por qué? Porque no es indispensable, la oración se entiende perfectamente, ¿ok? Bueno, pues es así como usamos la forma negativa del was y were en pasado, ¿ok? Pasado simple con el verbo to be. Ya saben, no olviden dejarme sus comentarios, denle clic aquí en esta parte y comenten, chicos. Yo quiero saber si les parece bien que mis videos los haga yo en inglés o que los vaya haciendo en español y explicándoles poco a poco. ¿Ok? Bueno, pues sería todo por esta ocasión. Nos vemos pronto en el siguiente video. Hasta la vista.